Number four. Next, let's proceed to contestant number five. Contestant number five, the mic is yours para pasalamatan.
Right now, I feel truly grateful and excited because being here is a dream come true for me. And also, to all of my supporters, thank you so much for supporting me. Because even my mother cannot be here tonight, I feel her love through all of you. And that means a lot.
Alright, thank you so much, contestant number five. Ay, shoutout pala. So, contestant number five, kabilangan mo ita sa pageant.
It's my third time in joining the pageant, and still I am building my self-confidence.
Alright. So, I know nga ready ka rin sa iyong question na ika-third time. Pwede kang nagabot sa may wagang puzzle ni Sir Victor. Okay, contestant number 5, feed hashtag equality.
Thank you. Hashtag equality. Equality is the foundation of justice and peace. This means giving every individual the same opportunities and respect, regardless of their gender, status, race, or background. Equality is not about making everyone the same, but about ensuring that no one is left behind. When there is equality, talents are recognized, voices are heard, and dreams are given a chance to come true. True progress can only be achieved when fairness becomes the heart of the society. Thank you.
Number 5, hashtag equality. Next,